Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss the truck accident claim process. If you are not subscriber our channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon. In this video, we will first of all know when you have been injured in an accident involving a rig, semi-trailer, or commercial truck. The most important thing after caring for your health is to partner with an effective truck crash lawyer to protect your rights. Once you have decided on your team, here are the steps you can expect with a feeling and personal reclaim of a truck crash. Argument a truck crash lawyer. Acknowledgement that confidential lawyer relationship has begun. Contingent fee detail about expense and payment of recovering damages in the case. Terms for how you and attorney can cancel this standing of timeline average accident, personal injury claims, and how identification may be involved. Disclaimer of how attorney may be handled case negotiation of medical expenses, investigation, ordering of medical records, channel communication through your truck crash lawyer only. Do report your accident to your own insurance company. Do not sign anything or answer questions you may be unsure about. Channel communication through your truck crash lawyer only. Do give the name and phone number of truck crash lawyer you have retained. Do not answer any question of any kind. Do not sign any document. Channel communication through your truck crash lawyer. First of all, do file police report. Next, do not get a doctor evaluation as soon as possible after truck accident. Do report with the truck accident to the DVM. Do not share the details of your truck accident with anyone outside of your attorney and these required. Channel communication through your attorney Darrell's answer the most powerful question about how personal injury claims work. Investigation and collection of evidence. Appointment of qualified accident scene investigators to visit truck crash site. Review for all police report. Review of all medical records and visit accident reconstruction then necessary. Coaching you through the process of consistency and accurately describing truck crash, locating and reviewing available traffic camera recording evidence, local additional eyewitnesses, conducting conversation with truck companies, legal and insurance representatives, demanding and reviewing copies of all documents and any additional evidence. Send personal injury demand letter. How you claimed have been effectively physically, financially, and beyond. Proceed towards settlement or trials. Accepting your demands and moving forward with and settlement outside of court. Negotiation the terms and representing court. Finding a lawsuit will be reserved for when you cannot reach a deal with the truck company and still believing your demands are fully justified based on your evidence and their response. Go to the trial. Next, the legal complaint is filed with appropriate courts spelling with out facts claims of your case. The process of discouraging begins where all parties exchange legal details and questions. This was our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell.